How to turn on or turn off the timer on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version. So just go to Play Store app and then tap on Snapchat application and check if there are any updates available. Now since you can see on the screen that my app is updated to its latest version, I'm just tap on open. It will lead me to the user interface of Snapchat application, and here you can see the option of plus on the right side of the screen, and downside you can see the option of timer. So as you click on timer, you're enabling the option of timer, you're turning on the timer option. So as you've on, if you want to disable or turn off the Snapchat timer, then you have to select on the plus icon again and then select on timer again to turn off the timer. And there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.